Replace your outdated conformal and plasma coating with NanoFlowX. Make any electronic waterproof in 2 minutes. Pour NanoFlowX V2 solution in container. Then dip into solution for 5 seconds. Remove components by its sides, allow excess solution to drain for 5 seconds. Place components on a non-conductive, heat-resistant surface. Use a heat gun at 180 degrees for 2 minutes. Move in a constant motion left to right. When using a heat gun, apply heat 3 inches away from the component. Do not stay in the same spot for more than 5 seconds. Your device is now coated.